Ay, hindi ka na ba umuwi? Ah, okay. Asan ka ngayon? Thank you, Liz Jang! Ay, wow! Pupunta ka sa bar? See you! Nakita nyo na ba yung in-story ko sa IG? Nakita nyo na yung in-story ko? Try nyo yun. Try nyo lang. Magsa-sign in lang kayo, tapos try nyo kung makakahanap kayo ng katoking stage nyo. Nauuso kasi yun ngayon. Yung mismong link ko yung pindutin nyo. Para andun kayo agad. Sige, Twinnie, for the go. I-click nyo lang yung link to sign in kayo. Tignan nyo lang kung magkakaroon kayong katoking stage. Sige, go Twinnie. Go mo yan talaga. Anong apps yun? Low-key, pindutin mo yung nasa link ko. Pinakita ko. Kanina ko lang yun na-observe. Ang ginawa kong account, hindi ko lang account namin ni Bubu para makikita namin kung sino yung nag-sign in sa amin. Pantulong na namin yan kasi naisip ko din kailangan yung magkaroon din ng jowa, tsaka para hindi nyo na kami inaartehan na masakit kami sa mata. Thank you, Danny. Saan yan, Rika? Saan yan? Thank you, Cassie. Diba? Inisip ko rin kayo this time. Tapos, balitaan nyo kami kung nakakuha kayo ng apom doon kasi paninindigan ko yung Ay, Batangas malayo. Bakit not be ako? Malayo kasi. Balitaan nyo ako pag nakahanap kayo ng kausap doon. Hi, Shawi. Try nyo na, balitaan nyo. Papasok po ako sa bar. Kapala ba kami gustong pumunta sa bar? Nagpapaganda ako ngayon. Kasi pagbalik trabaho po tayo, guys. And guys, nga pala, sa Cravings First, nakalagay sa Blue App, guys, pwede na kayo magpa-order and kami mismo magpapadeliver sa inyo tomorrow. Ulang pa-order yun, guys. Kaya tuwing umaga magluluto kami ni Bubu kasi ayaw na namin nung natetengga kami dito sa bahay. Gusto na namin marami kaming ginagawa. And ikikip busy namin sarili namin sa pagtatrabaho. Hindi kasi porque may bar kami, guys. Kailangan nakafocus na kami dun sa bar. Diba? Activated ako ngayon, be. Ang daldal ko. Ganito ako basta activated. Taragis na, pek. Matakot hindi pa matanggal eh. Rika, kasi ako, pagka ganyan, kailangan magpapaalam pa ako sa management. Tsaka, not 100% sure kasi may ganap din kami lagi sa bar. Ayan guys, pwede na kayo magpa-order mag-order mag-PM lang po kayo sa page na Cravings First. Kami ni Bubo nag-isip niya. Naghanap talaga kami sa Blue Up na yun kung meron kaming kapareho. Since Cravings First, wala pa. So, yun yung nilagay namin. Oy, sino daw free dyan? Sabi ni Mayor. Mayor, tara! Nakamaganda ako ngayon. Okay, di niya ako pinuntang. Sayang yung makeup ko. Okay, ganyan tugtugan. Magpaluto na kayo sa amin, guys. Napakasarap ng sisig ni Bubo. Kahit ako, hindi kayo order, ako ubos nun. Ako uubos nun. Gustong gusto ko yun. Kahit everyday na yun yung ulam ko. Hindi ko alam ba't adik na adik ako sa sisig ng asawa ko. Ako talaga nag-request nun eh. Sabi ko, Bu, luto ka sisig bukas. Tapos, kung ano yung majority na gusto nyong ipaluto sa amin, yun yung lulutuin namin para sa inyo. Yun yung ipapa-order namin kung ano yung gusto nyo. Magpapa-ano tayo. Ang tag doon, mag-create ako ng poll sa IG and then magvo-vote tayo doon kung ano yung majority na about sa ulam. Yun na lang yung ipapa-order namin. Pero at ang una natin na iaano is sisig. For only 150 pesos, guys. Pag nagpa-add kayo ng extra rice, nagpa-add kayo ng extra egg, just add 20 pesos. And then, shoulder nyo syempre yung kung ano gagamitin natin, Grab ba or Lalamove. Pero syempre, tayo na magbubok nun. Kami na magbubok nun. Pili na lang kayo, guys. Tomorrow, before lunch po yung tomorrow, before 12 noon po, yung delivery namin. Kaya, saktong lunch yun. Full-time work na po kami. Madaling araw, gabi, umaga, tanghali. Thank you, Dani. I hope makita kita ulit sa vision. Ay! Hi, Spidey! See you soon. Actually, may bar na rin kami. If you want, pag na-visit ka ng Manila, go ka sa club. Ay, sa bar namin. Yung club nga pala namin, guys, ginagawa namin siyang club every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hindi lang siya basta club. Hindi lang siya basta bar. Bar lang siya talaga pagka weekdays. Pero kapag weekends, ginagawa namin siyang club, which is meron kaming DJ and may MC kami. Weekdays, pwede tayo mag-karaoke. Request lang tayo sa tao namin sa bar. And ibibigay namin sa inyo yung tablet for YT. Kayo na bala mag-search kung ano gusto nyong kantahin. Sobrang ng service namin dyan. Makiusap lang kayo sa staffs namin. Thank you, MZ. Grab some gifts, guys. Let's go. Habang nag-react. May free drinks pagka girls. May free cocktail. hotel po kami sa happy hour. For girls only. Soon tayo mag-aano ng boys. Siyempre, isa-isa lang. Kaya punta na kayo, guys. Thank you, Edra. Thank you for the... Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Jen Jen.
Lagi ni pansit at chili-mansi ay sipalang siya at kiliti ng kalamansi. Sa tagapanguan, ang sarap mong nakaka-inlove.
I need ba ding friends around that area para maraming kasama if ever. For the go, Spidey. Actually, mga friend mo sa Kabanatuan, if taga-Kabanatuan ka, sama mo na lang sila. And may ano nga pala guys, sa mga team malayo dyan na pumupunta sa bar namin, meron po tayong hotel sa sa tapat ng bar. Pangalan niya ay Miyako Hotel. Super affordable. Hindi siya kasing mahal ni. So clean, so good. Hindi ko pwede sabihin. Ano ba? Pupunta daw. May customer na ako. Commission ko yan, si Mayor. Promotor no nang hingi ng commission. Manager, commission ko si Mayor ha. Pupunta si Mayor. Tara na, Christine! Christine, let's go! Manager, pasabi nga ng oras natin ng time ng ating happy hour. Yung may mga free drinks for the girls. Where you live? Philippines.
Honey, did you secure the milk?
In a world protected by Visa, every mission, every situation is a secure transaction with Visa.
This is the one that bought from me. This is the thing.
Si Mayor, naliligo na yan. Naghahanap na ng kasama si Mayor, oh. Nasaan na kaya sila, Shamir? Si Raisa, pupunta yan. Pupunta si Mayor, eh. Punta ka na, Raisa. Thank you, Hadi. Thank you, Hadi. Guys, magpa-order na kayo, guys. Sisig meal. Parang makapal. Oo ba? Nagsuklay lang ako. Manipis pa rin yan. Tignan nyo. Sobrang nipis ng buhok ko. Manipis lang yan. Kailangan kasi suklay-suklayin kasi magkukulot. Mag-iiba yung form. Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me. I was in it. I went goodbye to the end of beginning. Thank you, Hadi. Thank you, Kelwarga. Guys, pa-order na kayo. Kasi masarap talaga. Wala pa bang nag-PM? May nag-PM na ba?
Can't tell, but I love you. 'Cause you know you're me. I love when you're so sick. Love it when I break skin. Feel pain when I mention. So say it.
Hi. Kakaligo ko lang eh. Iniipis na yung ulo ko. Hello, RM. Thank you. Thank you for the bear. Thank you, Hadi. Shout out King Jack. Thank you, Danica. Thank you, Danica. Hi, Peter Jan. Thank you, Hadi. Lapit na tayo mag 1K. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Hadi. Si Eliza, ang kulit. Thank you, Kim. Hi, Nanay LV. Nanay LV, sana bumalik ka sa bar kasi andito na ako.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ito ang may sarap na klaseng lutong linamnam. Asahan mo, Skyflakes.
Silk Cotton Faucet Fresh. Dahil sa Sunbloom Technology, mas bumabango ang damit under the init.
Ay, let's go, Nanay LV. See you.
In New York, and then I get home. But it's still like, don't come on me, but it can't good. Different life, baby, I'm in the night. Back
What perfume do you wear? Madami. Kaya nga everyday ganito ako eh. Kahit alam ko yung mga amoy nila, inaamoy ko pa rin everyday. Ano nga ba?
But it's short, it's that stress to get me. And it's closer to the chest when your pulse too deep.
Nakasantip na itong Eliza, oh. Vanilla mo na to. Sa bar. Hi, Rain. I just wanna be the one of your girls. Yes, Nanay LV! Yes na yes for you.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty.
Yes.
I've been a nasty,
Let's
nasty,
go.
nasty.
Let's do this.
Somebody gonna match my freak. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna
Thank you,
match
Myra.
Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Till it's talking, got my throat raspy. If you keep up with me, I'll keep
Thank you,
on
Chi.
coming back. If you do
Kim,
it so good,
thank you.
I'm gonna get attached. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts.
Let's go, April Joyce.
Baby, put it
Kung wala kang kasama, makikipag-inuman sa'yo asawa ko.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. Big time.
Thank you, Kojic.
Party same, no vibe, we can leave. Shotgun, my thighs on the seat. I ain't got nothing underneath. Looks like you better spend the night. Looks like I'm about to change your life. Wife type, he's staying for a week, so I might just let him make the leap. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get attached. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. Keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back.
Magkupit ako ng nails.
Do it so good, I'm gonna get attached. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad.
Nasa baba po si Papi.
I like it just like that, just like that.
Yan yun na guys, baby pa yan. Huwag nyo nang awayin.
Nasty, nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty.
Thank you, Lani. Thank you, Kojic.
Bite into cloud nine for that enjoyment. You could stretch on and on with rich chocolate, soft nougat, luscious caramel, and crunchy nuts. Enjoy the cloud nine moment.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top notch hoes get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, better than your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that body you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm up in Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got it.
Habi is downstairs. Habi's downstairs.
And if you don't deserve a custom, we gon' cut them out. My barber got me looking proper every single time. Fresh pig, getting fitted on that top grade. You ain't walking out alive, smoking what we on.
Guys, drop tayo guys. Thank you, Lynn. Yes, pupunta ako sa Castigo. Ito po kami nag-google.
That's how we know it, that the flow about to carry on. See, immortality's a reality, I prove it wrong. This other family gon' carry me the way beyond. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you feel like this. Feel like this. How you live like
Head
this?
get
Why
crazy,
you worry about it?
anyone can do it. So all I own,
What you never said.
show me the one who got that fire.
Swerving, moving
Feel
to the
the
police, urgent. Hands on God, so I'm feeling like a surgeon.
Show them what you
Skin
can do.
color like the bourbon.
Feel
Worldwide
to them, you
sign,
got
don't be
that
fake,
moves.
no courage.
I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together, but you feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-da. Hi, Crisenyo. Thank you, Kyle. Punta ka na. Punta ka ng bar. Pupunta si Mayor. Thank you. Thank you, Kyle. Ayan na. Baby pa kasi siya. Thank you, Rocky. Natiris na. Ay, nawala yung tugtugan natin. Gusto ko talaga ng buko pie. Sana may mapunta sa Casby Bar tas magpadala ng buko pie. Bukod sa naging customer ka na namin, dinalan mo pa ako ng buko pie. Paging Rocky. Ayaw nga pumunta niya natin pati. Hindi daw niya alam mag-commute. Pumunta na kayo, guys. Kasi magsaserve ako ngayon. Sino na pupunta? Sino na pupunta? Sino na yung pupunta, guys? I just wanna be the one of your girls. Thank you, thank you, Kyle. Rocky tuloy. Teka lang, nawala yung music natin eh. Thank you, Kyle. I love rather take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my veggie. I thank you, the party. Kung andito ka lang, lilibre ka namin ng ano. Ayoko na nga, baka mag-crave ka pa. Imbis na magmamagandang loob lang ako, magalit ka pa sa akin. Libre kita ng crispy palabok. Yes, nag-thank you na tayo, nice. Sorry na! Sinabi ko lang! Para gumaan yung loob mo. Pero nagutom ka pala. Ipapaano na lang namin. Papa J&T. My coffee black and my veggie. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. Kailan ka pupunta, Glenda? Ngayon ba? Ito sabi niya, pwede din daw LRT from SM North to Monumento. My coffee black and my better tea. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me.
Sarap stand ng Kissin Butter Coconut. May coconutty taste, sweet glaze, at fantastic crunch. Kissin Butter Coconut?
You're too
Stand ng Kissin Butter Coconut.
take my whiskey neat.
We believe no journey is taken alone. Toyota, start your impossible.
Something's got a hold of me lately.
Something's got a hold of me lately. Though I
Don't know myself anymore. 0928, hello.
feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Oh, out of my mind.
How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone?
It's taking a toll.
Gagawa akong cover, guys. Pero, kailangan ko muna ng earphones for iPhone kasi hindi ako makakapag-record sa phone ng, nasira na kasi yung AirPods ko. Ay, AirPods, yung earpods. Earphone! Ba? Ay, sorry. Nagbihis ako kanina. Ang kalit ng mga asawa ko. Galit niya eh. Patakalak ka. Sus!
You're not next to me. You're breaking my heart.
Sino na guys mga pupunta? Huwag mong guluhin! Ay, natutulog eh. Tignan mo. Eh di punta sa bar kahit nasa Tagaytay. Sarap nga eh, di ba? Pagtapos mo mag-Tagaytay, diretso kayo sa bar. Road trip. Huwag na kayo mag-Tagaytay. See you, Stellar. Wala, hindi talaga pumunta. Hindi naman sabog pagka ganun. Doon nga kayo mapapahinga eh. Diba? Alak. Let's go. Punta na po kayo ngayon guys para may customer po ako. Sayang na may trabaho ko, diba? Kung wala rin akong customer. Wala akong sasahurin. Wala akong sasahurin. Sige pa ikaw.
Pretty Face White. Tamang-tamang, tamang tamis, at tamang creaminess. Tama ang timpla. Beautiful skin starts with deep cleansing. Try Nivea Extra Bright to remove 100% makeup and dirt. Powered with micellar technology infused with pearl and licorice extract. For radiant skin in as early as 7 days. Say hello to beautiful, clean, and bright skin from Nivea.
Binibini ko. Hala! Sige. Sige, Mayor. Ngayon talaga ako nagkikrib. Wala bang mabibilan ngayon?
I was born sick, but I love it. And to be with you.
Take me to church. I worship like a dog. Swallowing lies. I've taken my sins. Did you stand a good God? I give you my life. I've taken my sins so you can sharpen your knife. I believe that did you stand a good God? Let me give you my life. 5K lang. Thank you, Libra. Kailangan namin kumoto. Take me to church. I worship like a dog and it's right in your eyes. I'm taking my sins so you can sharpen your knife. I believe that death is still a good God. Let me give you my life. I'm taking my sins so you can sharpen your knife. I believe that death is still a good God. Let me give you my life. Diba, halika dito. Mainit dyan. Halika. Wala ka. Take me to church, I worship like a dog and shine your lights. I've taken my sins, making sharpen your knife. I believe that death is dead. I believe that death is dead. Good God, let me give you my life.
California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity centered. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours.
Thank you. Thank you guys for helping.
Little heart race this shore. She knows what I think about, and what I think about. One love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us. Find out, nothing else I don't wanna say about love, 'cause it's too cold for you here and now. So let me hold your hands in the folds of my sweater. Just take your breath away. I don't mind if there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind. The moves will take so far away. The goosebumps start to raise. The minute that my left hand meets your waist.
Tamang linis lang.
And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue as you love to taste, yeah. These hearts adore, everyone the other beats hearts for. Inside this place more, outside this house more. Down, one love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, find out. Nothing else that I want to cause it's for you here and now. So let me hold your hands in That smile. That tap. That convenient transaction when you pay with Visa.
Don't skip Nido 3 Plus to help protect your toddler against coughs and colds.
Gugutom ata ako. Thank you. Basta! Nag-map ako. Minap ko siya, nakakamap lang. Basa ka. Minap ko yan. Siyempre, pag minap mo may basa pa. Hindi talaga. Ay, bahala ko sa buhay mo.
I was scared of intersections. I was scared of pretty girls and I'm gonna see you. My friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh.
What's that? Yan.
Ano pa guys?
Ito yung pagka may cooks. Ay, gusto. Saan ako ba? Siyempre, naligo ako. Hindi ko talaga nagmatok. Eh, di sana naman may tubig pa ng maraming. Hindi ko. Ang visit ko. Ba't naman maalo ka? May one and only bra.
Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen.
Ugutom ako. Punta na kayo, guys. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Kalatuwang ka ngayon. Thank you kay Varga. Hindi na ako. You know that I love chicken nuggets. Let's go for 3K, guys. Malapit na, guys. Hindi na sama-sama. Kaya mo naman na yun. Ikaw, I love. Bakit? Ang dali nga. Nasuklay pa ako. Ngayon ka pala yan, di ka nasusuklay, nagla-live ka eh. Bona. Ay, sibok mo. Iganan mo pa. Iganan mo lang na.
Tali mo na lang ako. Kahit paano lang. Kahit paano tali lang. Kaya tamad na ako maglugay.
Ang pogi mo nga daw. Wala. Anong tali?
Tali lang din lang.
Minsan asawa, madalas anak.
Tali ka lang. Pagod na ako.
Haba na ng bangs ko. Thanks. Okay. Sarap ng patanggal to. Perang?
Hindi na ako bibitaw. Sumulong na to. Ika nga, punta ka na doon. Baon ko yan. Hello. Jumbo hotdog kayo. Mag-sign in na kayo guys sa inano kong link. Oo. Tutulungan na namin kayong humanap ng jowa.
Tama. Si Magdalena.
Gutom ako. Guys, punta na kayo. Libre na ko ng pagkain. Yun na, punta na kayo. Libre na ko ng pagkain doon. Yung kitipid kami kahit sa amin yun. Ibugaw ko muna kaya yung ano ko, pinanakit ko. Bubugaw ko lang sa... Upside, every night, every night, every night. Na 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 na. Like you can feel it, feel love and drop it. Yeah. Upside, every night. Every night, every night. Na 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 na. Lang guys. Drop. Guys, mag-end na muna ako. Doon na lang tayo sa bar magkita-kita sa mga pupunta. See you. Bye guys. Thank you for staying here in my live. I love you all. Bagay tayo. Bye guys.